This video will show you how to apply loafers chains, all right, or fancy on your loafer shoe. How to fold. What I mean by folding is double folding on your loafers shoe. All right, so before then, subscribe to our channel and give us a like. If there are questions, please drop under this comment section. All right, and if you wish to reach out to us, use our phone number displaying on your screen. If you want to appreciate, also our account number is also displaying on your screen. Both our dollar account and our naira account is on your screen. So if you want to appreciate our work, do that as you learn. Okay, so we have the chain and we have this measurements. Now the width of the measurements you're using is 1.5 centimeter, while the length is 5.5, depending on what you're doing. All right, depending on the size of the shoe you are producing, then you take your measurement. All right, so you have to trace, trace in pairs. All right, so we have, what I mean is, we have four tracing, because you'll be doing double folding. Double folding will aid you to cover up this chain. You bury this chain inside of the material, okay, for you to have a neat kind of work. So you see this extra gum I'm rubbing, it's for the chain, because you have to tag the chain with pieces of the material. So watch carefully. Cut in pair. Now you trace in pair and you're also cutting in pair. So what I mean is, you have 4 tracing. Your pattern, you traced 4, you rub your gum, then you cut in pair, like cut them into 2. All right, cut them into 2 here, 2 there, 2 for the right and 2 for the left. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, support us, drop a comment, ask us, involve us, like engage us. We want to teach you everything we know about this. So I'm cutting the material I'll be using to tag my chain. This is what I mean, to tag the chain. Right. Now this is a part of the material that will enter the belt, right? The loafers belt, or the fancy you want to apply. This is the part that will enter inside of your material, while the metal part of it will be your fancy on the loafers. Okay, fold them into 2 and take the midpoints. All right, now if you're doing this, you can use any of the face where you rub your gum. You can fold them and use it. If you want to use the main face, you can also use it. So once you have that, place your chain at the center, then you take the measurement, you take the point at which the material will be buried. So you cut them, a little cutting, then put the strap inside of the material. Watch, rub your gum. After, now allow for drying. Now this is what I mean. Fold into 2, take the midpoint, use your fancy or your chain, take the measurement, or place it, take the measurement, the point at which you cut this, you cut again. This cutting will be a bit cut, just a tiny cutting, where this rope can just enter, just a space for the rope to enter. Okay, now we have it. Okay, right, rub your gum, allow for drying, then you fold. Now you're doing double folding here, dual folding. That is dual folding. And you fold. This is why we call it dual folding. Fold to the middle. And the concept of this folding is for you to have a neat kind of folding, very neat. So after you're done with this, you tag with your gum, then you stitch. All right, so this is how to do this in shoemaking. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you enjoy, like it and share. Thank you.
MP Beats Avenue.